Anthropic just dropped a free AI Academy, so let's dive in and see what it's all about.
And yeah, you heard that right. Anthropic has launched a completely free learning platform for everyone.
The Academy is basically split into two paths. Let's figure out which one is right for you.
So, are you more of a strategist or a hands-on developer? We're going to start with the strategists.
First up is the AI Fluency track. This is all about working with AI, not just ordering it around.
It teaches you a whole new mental model for how you can partner up with artificial intelligence.
And it's all built around a simple framework they call the 4Ds. Let's break them down.
First, delegation. This is all about smartly deciding what to hand off to the AI.
Exactly. Like Akash Gupta says, the goal is to extend what we can do, not just replace ourselves.
Second is description. Garbage in, garbage out. A good prompt is like a great spec.
Then there's discernment. You got to check the AI's homework because it can be super confident and super wrong.
And this quote totally nails it. Without that systematic check, the AI magic just won't last.
And last, diligence. Be transparent and ethical. That's how you build trust with your users.
Reid Hoffman really sums it up. AI is a tool to amplify us. That's the whole point of fluency.
Okay, now for all you builders out there, let's check out the developer track.
The Building with Claude track is packed with hands-on courses. And yep, you get a certificate for each one.
And these aren't just generic courses. They have specialized tracks for AWS and Google Cloud developers too.
You can even learn to build AI agents that use computer interfaces kind of like a person would.
So what's the price for all this certified training? Well, it's zero, completely free.
So really, if you're a developer, a PM, or just anyone building with AI, this is for you.
It's all free, and it's available right now. The only real question is, are you ready to lead?